Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Now, on this episode, a big project. As you can see, I've got my camera pulled out as far as I can, zoomed way out, and just to give a scale on how big this box is, these are a couple of my 172 scale World War II fighter planes up against the box. This thing is huge. This is a 172 scale World War II GATO Class Submarine from Revell. I always wanted to do one of these, but I never had an opportunity to, and then they're kind of out of my price range for the most part. But I was at a model swap show this year, and fortunately someone had one complete in the box, hadn't been opened or disturbed, and I got a really good deal. I'm not going to tell you how much of a good deal, but it was a really good deal. And I've been looking forward to building this thing. I just haven't been sure how to go about building it. I almost didn't even do this build on the channel because the size, it's going to be kind of a challenge to build and film at the same time. Plus, being that this is a kit that I'm going to keep and display, and I want to do a really good job on this kit. So I want to take my time. So I've been thinking about how to go about doing this, and I think I've figured it out. But before that, if you're new here to the channel, hey, thanks for tuning in and stopping by. If you wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button down below and giving this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. For all my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support for the channel and watching the videos. I really appreciate you all very, very much. All right, now back to the build. So I think the way I'm going to do this build is I'm not going to do my normal intro, unboxing, go through all the parts, do all the build process videos and record everything, and then do a wrap up and one big long video, because I think this would be a really long video for one. And I wouldn't be able to spend as much time on it as I think I would like to, because I would kind of rush my own pace a little bit, because I'm like, oh, I want to do this and I want to do that. And I've been working on it for a while. I want to get the video out. So I think what I'm going to do for this build is I'm going to do it in stages, and I'm just going to video it as I go, but I'm only going to video it in segments and then publish a video. So we'll have the, steps 1 through 5, part 1, and then to be continued. And then the next one will be step 2, 1 through 5, or part 2, 1 through 5, whatever. So I'm going to try to do it like that. And I hope it works out, and I hope you all enjoy it. And then at the end, we'll have a playlist where you can actually play every episode and see the build from beginning to end. And I think that's just the best way to go for this build. So I hope you all agree with that. If not, I'm sorry, but that's just how I'm going to do it. So one thing I will do is I'm not going to keep this on the same schedule as my normal every other week video. I'll probably still have some every other week videos that I will publish and do, because I am working on some other kits at the same time. So as I complete a stage and film it, I will publish it. So these videos may pop up, weekly. They may pop up twice a week. They may pop up once a month. I don't know yet. But if you want to make sure you're notified when they do pop up, click that little bell in the icon in the subscription box down below, and you'll get notified when I upload new content. So that's a great way to not miss an episode. So that's actually it for this intro episode on the World War II GATO Class Submarine that I'm going to build. So I am going to get to work on it, and as I get the next stages done, I will be publishing a new video. So this episode is to be continued, but until then, friends, be safe out there and go build something.